Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by structuring OneNote so it serves you immediately. Create separate notebooks for work and personal, then add sections and section groups to reflect projects. This gives hierarchy. Once done, set a default notebook and enable auto-sync so changes persist across devices. That avoids losing work. Make sure to title pages with dates or short goals because consistent naming speeds search. Now take one small notebook and mirror this structure. You'll expand it, not rebuild it. You should capture everything in the moment. Use QuickNotes, the web clipper, and print to OneNote so reference material lands where you work. Then tag items, to do, important, question, and customize tags to match priorities. Tags let you build filtered lists later. Once tagged, link pages together and embed files or Outlook emails to keep context intact. This reduces friction when you resume work because everything you need is in one place and searchable with consistent tags and links. You finalize by setting a weekly review ritual. Clear completed tags, reorganize active pages, and archive obsolete sections to keep notebooks lean. When collaborating, share notebooks with explicit view or edit permissions and confirm collaborators can sync. If something goes wrong, sync failures are common. Force a manual sync, verify available cloud storage and network, then sign out and sign back in. That usually resets the connection. If issues persist, export a copy before making big changes to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.